Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dee if you're new, and today we have a product review. This item was sent to me, but all thoughts and opinions are my own, so let's get right into it. So they sent me over a fan from an Amazon company. The company name and information will be on the screen and down below in the description box. So this is the fan. It has the different levels, and I think it comes with a remote. So let's go ahead and open it and see. All right, y'all, let's open it on up. Let's see. Great packaging. This is the remote. All right, this is how the fan looks, and it has stages. So this is the first stage. This is the second stage, and then it's the third stage of the fan down on the floor. So it's short, medium, and then tall, where it can just sit on the floor. The fan has 3 stages: low, medium, and high. It's recommended to not use this fan while it is charging. I'm going to go ahead and charge it up, and then I'm going to give you some more details. All right, you guys, I have the fan here charging. You see it's on 1. This is the base of it, and on the back you see where you put the USB in to charge it up. So we're just gonna let this get all the way charged, and then I'm gonna turn it on for you guys. Like I said, it's recommended to not use this fan while it is on the charger. So we're just gonna make sure it's fully charged so we can follow the directions. So it has 3 light modes. So here goes the button for the light brighten, and here goes the button for the light dimming. The LED ring light. So it's an LED ring light. To adjust the brightness. Okay, I told y'all about that. We just gonna see. We're gonna get into it when it's... All right, y'all. The fan is now fully charged. So let's try it. Okay, that's speed 1. Would feel good. Speed 2. Speed 3. Turned it off. There's the light. So I'm trying to see if you can tell that it's dimming. So I'm clicking it brighter. Y'all can tell it has gotten brighter. So let me click it dimmer. Oh, I like this, y'all. So let me click it again. That's the brightest it go. Then let me go to dim. Until it goes off. Y'all, this is a neat fan, and this will be good for when, like, if you do try-on hauls, or if you're doing something in the house, or you're working outside or grilling. This fan could be good for anything, but especially for me. Let me see what this is. This button is up high. Now let's run the fan with the light. Y'all better get y'all one of these. This is so neat. All right, y'all, I love this fan. I could think of so many uses for this fan, but as me being a content creator and me doing try-on hauls and doing hauls in front of a hot light, it would be perfect to place it to keep yourself cool or whatever. And if you need a little extra light for your video, but like outside when you grilling or anything and you want a fan and you do not have to have a cord, this comes in a clutch. You can take this thing to the park. You can take this thing to the beach. You can take this thing you can take it everywhere. I love it so much. If you guys are interested, all the information will be down in the description box below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another one. Bye.